Hi guys! Today we have some special DIYs for you. If you feel like you just didn't get enough sleep last night, or you want to fake that you had 8 hours of sleep, you could do any of these 5 DIYs. Basically, we're gonna fake your way to a full night's sleep.
There you go. Fake it till you make it.
So DIY number 1, we're gonna take an egg and just use the egg whites from the egg and some vitamin E. We're gonna use these capsules. You can use the liquid form. I know that they come in this form as well. So it really doesn't matter which form you use. Just to make it easier on us, we'll literally put some vitamin E oil in there and then the egg white only. And let me tell you why it's so good for you. I wrote down notes.
Tell us, Ani. I was curious.
Okay. Egg whites have been known to reduce the appearance of fine lines.
How about some egg yolk?
It's just enough. Okay, that's fine. And vitamin E fights free radicals. So, okay, let me put that in there, and you can put your egg white in there. I mean, egg yolk in there. Great. Do you mind grabbing that whisk for us, Nora? Whisk that puppy up. And you're gonna apply this directly to your under eyes, and you're just gonna let it sit for 5 minutes.
So this is an under eye thing?
Everything is under eye.
Oh, okay. I thought it was a full mask.
No.
Okay.
Some of this stuff you could put all over your face, but the whole point is we're trying to fake your 8 hours of sleep. So we're gonna concentrate on the eyes today.
Oh, got it.
You see?
Yeah.
We're gonna get our little brushes, and we're just gonna brush
Okay,
it
it doesn't
on.
smell. That's what I was really worried about.
I know you're weird with smells.
I am. I have crazy gag reflex. If I smell something bad, I'm like, bleh!
Okay, you leave this on for 5 minutes, and it gives you 5 hours of sleep.
What does it do? Brightens?
It reduces the appearance of fine lines, and the antioxidants fight free radicals. It just
Goodbye, free radicals. Goodbye.
brightens you up. Okay, DIY number 2. Coffee is really good for your face. It's good for your under eyes.
Everything, your body, coffee's
Love.
hidden gem, I want to say, in your house.
It really is. So today we're going to be mixing some coffee grounds, and these are just used coffee grounds from this morning's coffee. Make sure they are no longer hot, you guys. Let them sit out and get cold or room temperature. And we're going to add some vitamin E oil. And the nice thing is you really don't have to measure anything, really. Just create a little bit of a paste. Do you want to paste this up, and I'll tell everyone why it's so good for them? Coffee contains caffeine that helps protect cells against UV radiation, and it slows down the photoaging of skin. So that usually leads to early wrinkles, so it's really good for you. And it can tighten your skin if you want to put it all over your face.
Yeah.
Okay?
And then it helps with cellulite too, just in case you guys are wondering.
It helps with cellulite, and it helps reduce dark under eye circles.
Ah.
And vitamin E oil is just amazing for you in general. So again, we're gonna put this on our under eyes and leave this on for 10 minutes. We're gonna leave this one on longer. So we look really well rested.
You know what you could do is every morning make your coffee and then grab the grounds once it cools off, put it on your eyes. While you're drinking your coffee, you get your little eye mask going on, and then you just go shower up and ready to go to work.
I was gonna say take it into the shower with you and scrub your face and your cellulite.
Yeah, there you go.
So at least you don't have to worry about the mess after.
Yeah, there you go. Oh, I'm gonna do that tomorrow, actually. I'm gonna do this.
You do it, Nora.
I am.
And then you'll be like,
This is a good one. It's like
Modamob DIY.
drinking coffee, applying the under eye.
Coffee and beauty together.
Yeah, it takes 10 minutes to drink the coffee anyways,
Yeah.
right? There you go.
How do your under eyes feel?
Actually, they feel really nice and soft.
Well, we still have 1, 2, 3 more.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Right? Crazy. Okay. So this next one is almond oil and honey. Honey is going to help fight any dullness that you have in your eyes. And almond oil is...
That I need.
Yes, and me too. Almond oil is a great hydrator, and it rejuvenates your under eyes, and it helps with dark circles.
All right.
So we're gonna take our honey, we're gonna add a little bit of almond oil to it. We're gonna mix it up, and we're gonna apply it underneath our eyes, and we're gonna leave this one on for 10 minutes as well.
Okay. This is a nighttime one I would do.
Yeah, for sure.
I would do the coffee one in the morning, and then this one I would do at night.
Or on a weekend.
Yeah.
If you want to minimize the mess, just use a brush to apply it to your under eyes.
It's so quick. Like, I like all these masks on you. Good job.
I'm happy you approve,
Good job.
Nora. Okay, so we're gonna leave this on for 10 minutes. This next one is super easy and it only has one ingredient, Chamomile Tea Bag. So what I did was I soaked 4 tea bags and I let them kind of like get cold again. Do not apply hot tea bags to your under eyes. So we each get 1 tea bag for our under eye. I'm just gonna drain it a little bit. Not too much because you want the actual tea. And I'm gonna apply it to my under eyes. This one's a little bit harder. It may be helpful, maybe like if you do it at nighttime, you're laying on the couch, you're like on your phone.
You know what's funny? I don't know if you guys know this or if it's just like one of those wives' tales, but like things our moms used to do.
Yeah.
If you've ever gotten an eye infection
My
or
mom
a
used to do
pink
that too.
eye or anything, you apply tea bags on your eyes. It literally goes away. My husband would laugh at me. And then he got an eye infection and I'm like, dude, put some tea bags on your eyes. And he's like in the medical industry, so he's like, oh, get out of here and blah, blah, blah. And it worked.
I know.
He was like trying to do all these like the medications. I'm like, I'm telling you, put the tea bag. It's a lifesaver.
You can actually apply the tea bag to the rest of your face too. This is gonna really help with any redness or irritation that you have. So really good to just pop it on your eyes while you're on the couch.
Yeah, I like this
I'm
one.
gonna apply it to the rest of my face too. Okay, this next one has the most ingredients out of all of them, but don't worry, it's still only 3 ingredients. We're gonna take half a lemon and squeeze it into a small bowl. And we're gonna take our egg whites again. Maybe this time I'll do it.
Oh. And we would like to use coconut oil, but it's not opening.
Okay, here's our egg yolk and a little bit of coconut oil when Nora gets to open it. But in the meantime, I was gonna tell you guys all the good things about it. Okay, so egg whites again reduces the appearance of fine lines. Here, you can tell them all the benefits while I try to open it.
So egg whites have been known to reduce appearance of fine lines, as we mentioned earlier. And then coconut oil is an effective method for lightening dark under eye circles. And it also, yeah, exactly, you were laughing, moisturizes and lightens to help prevent wrinkles and fine lines under eyes. And don't be scared to use coconut oil on your under eyes. I know some people are scared because it clogs pores and all that, but it's your under eyes.
You don't really have pores in your under eyes.
Yeah, you're all good up there.
Okay, cool. Whisk it together, Nora.
Done.
I gave you the whisk task because I thought you would
I like
really
it.
like it.
I really do. I'm a funnel whisk girl, you know?
Funnel and a whisker.
Yeah. I'm basically a child.
And you're gonna apply this to your under eyes for 10 minutes as well. This one feels good because the lemon was in the fridge. It's kind of cold.
Oh.
It's like nice and refreshing.
I like all of these.
Yeah.
I'm a fan of all of them.
So you guys leave it on for 10 minutes and it's gonna like make you look like you got more sleep.
I'm just gonna reduce my pore size too. Let's just bring it down right here.
Hope you guys enjoyed these 5 super simple DIYs that is going to fake a full night's sleep for you guys.
Yay!
If you have any other suggestions of DIYs, leave them in the comments below because we love hearing what you guys want us to do.
And make sure to subscribe to our channel if you're new.
Bye!
Love you! Bye!